I'm here in Lesotho, Umunati, Kwabata, Kunalelitsatsi le monate la o se. Today we are talking about something that people have been asking, I remember there's this guy on our channel who have been asking me to say, Gogo, you always avoid my question. I don't know why. And he said, Gogo, on almost all the videos that you post, you literally avoid this question about pork, fish, and muti. Gogo, please answer the question. Well, that was years ago, and I'm going to answer that question differently from what the family member asked. I'm going to answer it in a sense, as I'm here in Lesotho, I'm here for two reasons. One, as a small vacation. When somebody says to you, Gogo, you're tired, you're drained, take a break, take a break. If somebody raise their hand and say, Gogo, I will cover the costs, take a break, please, you look drained, and I really appreciate that. That was one reason that I'm here. And the second reason that I'm here is to complete my research on two things. One, research about menstruation, but the one about menstruation, I'm not going to discuss it today, but on this video rather. But on this video, I just want us to focus on fish, pork, and muti. And you'll remember on my stuff, I always told you that the grilled fish, the fried fish, it's okay. I used to say that it's okay, there's no problem with it. However, you need to avoid tin fish, right? From now onwards, especially from the trip I did in Jamaica, on my stuff at Gogo Bathini Mbatha, you can definitely eat your pork. You can definitely now eat your tin fish as you like it while you are using umuti. Yes, because I have found a way of making sure that the spiritual strength of umuti that was taken by pork is no longer there. Because fish on its own, it has never had a problem, but only tin fish that had a problem, because it preserved with pork. It's preserved with pork fat. That is the problem, or rather, that was a problem. So from now onwards, you need to rest assured ukuthi that thing is sorted out. It is sorted out. You don't have to stress about it anymore. You don't have to call me anymore. You don't have to find out from the office anymore to say, hey Gogo, I ate pork, what then to do? But here's the twist in the whole thing that we're talking about. Not on the muti that was already taken, because that muti that you've already taken, it doesn't have what you are talking about. I'm sorry, I have to rush my tea because it is sunny, but this chill wind from the Tabens Lesotho, it does make a tea to go colder quicker. So on the muti that you are using, if already you came to me and already you on the muti that you are you are on treatment already, please continue with exactly what you have. Please continue with what you have. So you'll forgive me. I'm looking at this camera, and I'm also looking at another camera because there's a guy here in Lesotho that asked that I share exactly the same video that I'm doing, so that he can also share it in his platforms, because he's the one that is assisting me in completing this research that I've bothered myself to say, until when are we going to be in a situation whereby we are not allowed to eat fat? We are not allowed to eat, pork fat or pork meat or in general, and we are not allowed to eat tin fish. So we are closing that now. Now we know that it is possible that in Muti that can be you can still eat that, or you can still enjoy your pork and fish while using Muti. But another thing that we need to talk about that is very important is that it has never really been all the Muti that does not need pork. It is not. It was not never the case. It is some of the Muti, or majority of the Muti, didn't need pork. But however, you can use there is Muti that strictly, even if Sikaba, that Muti it has to have a pork fat, especially when you're dealing with enemies, especially when you're dealing with people that you know for sure they are also using umuti. So that is where you find the fight of umuti. That's the interesting part, actually, where you find that, when you fight with somebody, then you find that, oh, they are this strong, let me use this channel. Or they are this strong, let me use this channel. Because when you are fighting an enemy, especially an enemy that is using muti, don't go there with your face. Ungamiyeli ngobuso, because you are putting yourself in so much danger that you will never, listen to me, you'll be putting yourself in so much danger that you'll never stand. You'll never stand. So that's why I always say, when you go into your healer, explain exactly the nature of the war you are faced with. Explain the nature of the enemies that you are faced with, because you can't come to me as your healer with an attitude that you have with your opponent and say, no, vela ngimsabi gogo. You understand? I just need something nyana, kodwa yena aya ngimsabi, nami ngiyinsizwa. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. When you are with your healer, that's where you need to go naked to say, hey gogo, I've never thought I'm scared of that guy. Me, now you can tell me that you are scared of that guy. You can tell your friends which you are not scared of him or her. That's a conversation to have with your friends. I'm not your friend. So discuss that with your friends. But to me, as your healer, you need to be honest with me. You need to tell me, Gogo, this is the kind of an animal that I'm dealing with. That's when the issues of pork comes in. That's the issue of pork comes in. That's a issue of menstruation comes in. You cannot discuss with me in a vacuum, or being selective to say, I cannot tell Gogo this, I can tell Gogo this, I cannot tell Gogo this. I need to know everything. Sometimes people, they will tell me about the opponents that Nama gets scared to say, yo, is there a kind of a person like that? Serious? Tell me more about it. Serious? Why do you say that? You seem to be very scared of him. There are people that can really come naked and say, Gogo, yo, I'm dealing with a beast here. So you cannot beat a beast if you didn't acknowledge Uguti, you are dealing with a beast. You cannot. There's no way. You need to be honest with yourself. Take this as a boxing. Boxers, they don't go to fight by being told by their trainers to say, you are going to fight Batin. And they don't know that Batin. They've never saw Ubatini on the ring. They don't know how Ubatini fights. It doesn't happen. Whether it's boxing, whether it's karate, whether it's soccer, any sport that you can come up with, there is no way that you can go on a pitch, on a field, on whatever thing that they do that sport on, or place that they do that sport on, not knowing how powerful the opponent is and what are the weak points of the opponents. For example, somebody might come to me and say, Salwas, this is a situation. I'm faced with the war. I'm fighting with this guy, but his weak points, he likes women. Tick. As soon as you say that to me or one of those things, I tick. He likes women. Okay? She likes men. She likes sleeping around Gogo. I tick. Yeah, what else? You talk before I can even ask questions. Sometimes by the time I have to ask questions, you've answered my questions. Gogo, this person that I'm fighting with, oh, Gogo, they drink too much. Yo, Gogo. Yo, Gogo, them and alcohol, they're like this. I tick. You know, Gogo, it's not the matter that they drink too much. It's a matter that they love parties. They love going out. I tick. You understand? Gogo, this is one person that likes meat. So I normally meet him on places that it happened that we stay in the same area. So we meet in these places where we buy meat and what. I tick. You know, those small details, they tell a story to me. Those small details, they make me to be so comfortable. That we can take this. And if I'm not comfortable, I will tell you to say, this one, I know exactly what is needed, but I'm short. There's something that we need to get on this one. Yeah, please give me time. And then this is what I need to source and everything. The same goes to pork and court cases. Guys, I cannot deal with your court case if I only knows half the truth. And it's never half the truth. It's either it's 10% of the truth or it's 90% of the fall of lies. It has never happened that it's 50%. It's always 10, 20, maximum 25%. If somebody has decided not to tell me the truth and nothing but the truth. And it's a problem. Trust me, it's a problem. That on its own, it's a problem. You are not doing me a favor by doing that. You are not doing me a favor by doing that. You are actually killing the whole process. Because there is no way, Lalela, there is no way that when you can say to yourself, you can win this battle better if you don't tell me exactly the truth. Remember, the person that is with you or that is going to be with you in court, it's not me. It's that person. It's that court. It's that magistrate. It's that prosecutor. It's that judge. It's those lawyers of your opponent. And most importantly, it's yourself. I'm not going to be there. And I'm not the one that is going to be sentenced at the end of the day. I'm not the one that's going to lose whatever fight that you have in court or on the ring, fighting with somebody, whatever the fight that you have, whether it's karate, whatever. It's not me. They'll beat your ass out, not my ass. So those are the things that you need to think of. So I hear people say, hey, Gogo, I went to this person. I have the person that said that to me. Gogo, I went to this old man, he gave me muti and everything. And hey, Gogo, hey, I've lost that case. Now I had to start afresh. You know, I was sentenced 10 years. I stayed 3.5 years. I came out, blah, blah, blah. Now I'm starting from the scratch, blah, blah, blah. And then we'll talk about something else. Trust me, I'm going to go back to that conversation. But you're not going to see that I'm going back to that conversation. And I told him that the lies that you are telling me are the lies that you told that old man. That's why that old man that I don't even know couldn't defend you, couldn't fight with you. Because when you tell little bit of the truth, just a little bit. The rest, you are a pathetic liar. So you lalela, lie to your friends, lie to the people that you fight with, lie to your wife, lie to your husband. There, you cannot lie to me as your healer and then you want help. You can't. There's no way. So this mixture that I have is not a mixture that you'll get it alone, aside, as a sachet or whatever, or as a drops. No. How we're going to mix our stuff is going to be included, that our stuff allows you to eat pork. No spiritual strength of muti will be weakened. Nothing whatsoever. So there you'll be rest assured, Uguti, when you get stuff from me, you're going to be fine. And guys, don't call me and say to me, Gogo, can I come and change my muti? Guys, just finish your treatment. Just finish your treatment. That's it. Finish your treatment. Don't eat pork for now if you already taken muti. Don't eat pork for now. It's just for now. And then after that, then you can, when we do something else, and you cannot want to come and repeat the ritual just because of you want that muti that you can still use with pork and fish. You can't do that. So in closing, I'm very happy to be here in Lesotho. And June, July, or let me say winter, it's the best time in dealing with muti for enemies. If you have enemies out there, if you know Guti, there's enemies that you have, there's a court case that you're dealing with, there's bad spirit that you're dealing with in your yard, whatever thing that is happening in your life, you are faced with war. If you know that for sure, let me advise you. Let me give you a free advice. Winter is the best season to deal with that. I'm just giving you a free advice. Winter is the best season to deal with that. If you can compromise yourself, if you can sit down and say, let me do something, let me work now, let me stop drinking, let me put my alcohol aside, let me put men, women, sex aside, let me deal with this war that I'm faced with. Your best season, your best time, your best moment, it's winter. Where can you have this? Where can you get this content? Only from the family channel that I'm giving you this content. And not only on my muti, on muti, I'm talking about muti in general. Muti for war, to stop lightning, because from winter we're going to spring, and then we're going to summer. And things now then are happening. If they want to send you home with lightning, they do what? They must find you well protected. So if you were thinking of saying, Gogo, I don't have enemies that I know of, unless self-appointed enemies. However, I feel, Gogo, that I need something that I want to be strong. I feel that I'm a bit weaker and everything. This is your time. Contact your healer. Contact whoever that is assisting you. This is the time for you to get that help. That is all about me today, talking about muti, pork, and fish. You always wanted to know about that and everything. Again, it's not a new thing. I'm not coming up with something new. I just did not know then in terms of how to put it together. I had to do an intensive and a deep, detailed research, not rushing anyone, because I'm not in competition with anyone, to find exactly what is it that can be mixed together that can make sure Uguti umuthi works, and that has been done and tested. So the research, the research that I'm competing here in Lesotho is to say, did I do the right thing? Did I mix well? Besides the test that I've done to myself, and I can prove it, I did it well. But I had to ask people who are more experienced spiritually on these things. I needed to ask, to say, what else do you think is missing? What do you think is a missing link? Is there a missing puzzle in this mixture? Because I'm dealing with people's lives. As much as I said earlier, it's not me who's going to be in a court case. It's not me who's at war. However, you have trusted me with that war. I'll assist you to win it. And it cannot be won if ever I just take shortcuts. It can't be. It can't be. So here I'm putting together the dots, and if I'm told, Lalela, if I'm told, Uguti, no, you need to add A and B, or you need to add E, and this is where you get E, I'm telling you, whenever you come, I'm going to tell you, no, there was an ingredient that it's missing that I still need to find out. But so far, Isalwa Sendot is comfortable. I'm comfortable, and not because of I'm trusting myself. No, I'm trusting the network, because the network is very important. And what I'm doing, every profession, they do it. So in my line of work, I find old people in age, old people in terms of experience, calling me to say, Salwa Sendot, this is what I'm mixing together. Do you think I mix it well? Before I answer, I'll hold the phone and say, how? And I'm like, I'll be happy. Yes, and then I'll talk to him or her and give advice. So I do the same to them. I ask, I research, I drive to them, I fly to them, I swim to them, I broom to them, just to make sure Uguti, everything that I do is online. Guys, everything that I do, it's online with what needs to be done at the end of the day. So even the lawyers, if they are faced with a big case, they don't take that case for granted. They won't just say, no, I can walk on top of this case. I'm an advocate. I'm a senior advocate. I've been into the field for donkey years. They do research. They read books. They go to studies. They go to cases that have passed. They read about the judgments that have happened. They do everything. If soccer players are going to play with an opponent, they look at the previous games they've played. If you are going to play friendly, they look at how is the attitude of these players have if they are playing friendly games. How's the attitude if they are playing for semi-finals? How's the attitude if they are playing for finals? The attitudes are not the same. So what I'm doing is part and parcel of my work. There's no way I can take this work for granted. That's why I will never in my life say I've arrived as a healer. Never. I treat each and every patient as if it's my first and my last patient. That's why I always question my attitude towards clients. I always ask myself to say, did I do my best to this person? And I'm human. I do mistakes as well. So if you're not going to come to me and say, Gogo, I'm not happy with A, B, C. How am I going to know and fix that? How will I know and fix that? There's no way I can fix it. But if you can come to me and sit down with me to say, Gogo, I'm not happy with this. There's a lady I've helped in Pangin. You know? She traveled all the way from the northwest with her family. She was one of the first people to arrive at home. Somehow, she was helped late. She had to book. Somehow it was a mess in her things to be done at home. Why there was a mess? One, I was drunk on that day. Two, the people that were working with me then, they took advantage of the situation, which I'm not focused. And it was a mess. Guess what? I said to her, we are going to repeat that and I'm going to cover the cost. Accommodation and transport. Coco, did you do that? Yes, I did. It's just that I cannot name that person, and that I wouldn't say to that person must raise their hands and say, yes, Coco is talking about me. No, Kanyambi, I'm not saying that. But all I'm saying is that I do rectify. I do apologize. I do what it takes for me to, at the end of the day, to resolve whatever issue it is. So I'm very, very committed in this work. I understand it when I put this statement well in isiZulu, where I say, lo msebenzi ngiphathisiwe akuwona wami okagogo, ngiphathisiwe akuwona wami lo msebenzi. So kufanele ukuthi ngiwuphathe njengekhali zamantungu, kufanele ukuthi ngiwuphathe ngobunono. Ngaso sonke isikhathi kufanele ngenze sure ukuthi lo msebenzi ngiwuphatha ngenhlonipho, lo msebenzi ngiwuphatha ngendlela efanele ngiwuphathe ngayo. And masulwa nami uli nami ngedwa nesakwa sami esazi kahle ukuthi ngiyimisele kangakanani ukwenza lo msebenzi. So with that, I really appreciate entrusting me with your problems, entrusting me with your careers. And I see a lot of people calling me, sending me SMSs. You know, it's always nice to get that 500 nyana, 1,000 nyana on the bank account, and you get this notification. I don't know this money. Then you get a WhatsApp and say, Coco, I just want you to buy yourself coffee. You know, I'm fine, Coco. Coco, now I'm working. Coco, now I'm employed. You know, sometimes I would get somebody taking a picture of their sign in their office, you know, with the title, you know, CEO. You know, this lady called me and said, Coco, I'm now a CEO. I've tried to call you twice and you didn't answer, Coco. Coco, I'm no longer that, you know, Nje. Now I'm a CEO. You know, to get such calls, messages, token of appreciation. You know, somebody gifts you with a car. Then they come and say, Coco, the Uno that we gave you, we have never taken it for major service, and Coco, now we feel we need to still do it. I took it as a food steward. You know, I was just asking them to say, where do you fix the Uno? Who's the specialist of Unos? And then if somebody will say, no, Coco, bring it here. I will show you where it's done, and they pay the costs, and not small money. I don't get jealous to say, oh, they should have given me that money not to fix their car. I appreciate to say, these people, they don't owe me, but still they are able to say, let's fix it further because we want you to go further with this Uno. I appreciate. It's you guys that fuels me, that makes me to wake up every morning and to face the day. You are the ones that has contributed in my sobriety to say I cannot focus or rather show enough gratitude to you guys if I continue poisoning myself with this. So with that, Nyatobeka Kunini, I thank you. I really appreciate you, and let's work. So now we know, you know. Now we're going to eat our fish. Now we're going to eat our pork. Do you know, if ever you can cook your tin fish well, how nice it is? Whether you serve it with pap, or you serve it with brown rice, or you serve it with spaghetti, or you serve it with mashed potato. Now I'm going to enjoy it. After a very long time, I've just started enjoying it. So I wouldn't want to eat that alone. And pork is nice, guys. Now let's face it. Pork is delicious, guys. Sarukwazi sendoda ugogo bathini bathi mavula kuvala emzini amadoda. Auntie Usha, let me ask you a very, very challenging question. If people believe so much in Muti from Mozambique, do you know how much people of Mozambique eat pork and cannot compromise anything with pork? Do you know how much people in Mozambique that eat pork? Do you know how much they love it? Do you know pork in Mozambique, pork and fish, it's number one meats in Mozambique? Why is that? You're answered. Sarukwazi sendoda gogo bathini bathi mavula kuvala emzini amadoda. Auntie Usha, your number Ian Locksmith.